Hey everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and I'm in my greenhouse and I'm going to show you what a cutworm looks like, or I hope I'm going to. So I have a tomato plant that has suffered damage overnight here by a cutworm, and I'll show you how I know that, and we are going to go find it. So the evidence is there, the cutworm is going to be there. I'll show you how to look for it. Before we get going on that, I just want to say thank you for joining me today, and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and like this video. I would like to also let you know that I am a cookbook author. Check out Everything Stevia and Everything Whole Wheat Sourdough. Plus, I have a kids gardening series out there called Color and Learn Gardening, where your kids can learn gardening in such an easy way and really begin to understand how to garden. You can also check out everything-homemade.com. All the books are on there with links to Amazon. So let's take a look of what I am seeing. This poor little tomato plant, my word, look how sad it looks. So when you see something like this, and it almost looks like it's literally been pulled, but without a stem, cutworms. Your tomato plant should look like that, or like this, okay? So there's a lot of healthy tomato plants here, so it's not something else. This is very signature of a cutworm. That means that the cutworm is going to be anywhere within the first couple of inches of this pot. So let's take a look. Well, that's dead. That's not going to be any good anymore. So what you're looking for is a big, fat, juicy worm. So let's look over here first. Right there. Right there. See that? That is the culprit. That nasty little cutworm. Look at that. So what it has done, it has eaten the top right off. Right there. And it'll continue to gobble that till it's big, and then we'll make a cocoon and continue its life cycle. So when you see a worm looking like this, squish it, kill it. This is a big fat guy. So this one here, obviously it was in my compost pile. I have a 3-year-old compost pile. It was in my compost pile when I put this compost in here. I didn't see it, obviously, and it completely killed my tomato plant. Luckily, got a whole bunch more here. So we lost one, but I've got a lot of other beauties growing here. So that is good. But when you are in the garden, and let's say your beans have no leaves on them when they germinate, or things look like they're being eaten, look around the dirt. If you look carefully, the first 1 to 2 inches will be the culprit, because they live really, really close to the surface, and usually they stick by to what they're eating. So I'm going to squish this bug. Let's squish it. There we go. Guts went a-flying. Look at that. Green goo. And one less one to eat other plants. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video.